Welcome back. Today's video is about DHS Chhattisgarh Recruitment 2021. Viewers who are unable to watch the video till the end due to any sort of issues, please check out this link which will be placed in the description box. Click on it and get all of the detailed information at one place itself. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for DHS Chhattisgarh Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now, and as you click on it or as you search, you can see Freshers Now website. Click on it and get all of the detailed information at one place. Whoever want regular job updates, join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Now we will see the basic details that you have to know regarding DHS Chhattisgarh Recruitment 2021. The organization name is Directorate Health Services Chhattisgarh and the post is for a staff nurse. The total number of vacancies are 267. The starting date to apply will be from 27th of May. The closing date or the last date to apply is 26th of June. The application mode is through online. This particular job will be under government and the job location is in Chhattisgarh. The selection process is going to be through a merit list and you can cross-check your criteria in the official website as mentioned here. Now let us see the vacancies as mentioned here. For each of the department there are n number of vacancies. So in total we have 267 furtherly divided into according to the category that you are belonging to, and also it is divided among the departments as well. Next off, we are going to see the education requirement for staff nurse. First off, the candidate should have a BSc nursing or PBBSc nursing or general nursing and senior obstetrics, senior midwifery training, and that particular candidate should be passed with the departments which I mentioned. Must be registered as a hostess from Chhattisgarh Nursing Council. Must have cert continuous unrestricted maintain of 5 years. So you should have a continuous service of 5 years. Has not been removed from any obligations, and you should not have any criminal charges. The candidates only from the state of Chhattisgarh only will be eligible to apply. Please note this point. And then heading over to the age limit. The minimum age limit is 18 years of age or the upper age limit is 35 years of age. According to the date as mentioned here, it is on 1st of January 2021. Please note that local or the native resident of the state shall be 40 years of age instead of 35. Women are exempted for 10 years. The age relaxation will be applicable according to the norms of the organization itself. The maximum age limit should not exceed 45 years of age respectively. The selection process, the limited departmental examination related to divisional joint sector, and that will be organized. The merit list will be brought out and prepared based on the marks, and the selection process will be done based on the merit-wise reservation. Heading over to the pay scale, it's going to be a level 7 pay scale. The starting pay will be from 28,000. If you want to apply, please head over to the official site. Click on important link section. You can see the recruitment section. You can also read about the notification, cross-check with your eligibility criteria, then click on the link, read the next details. If you are eligible for the post, then everything is fine. Head over to the application form, fill it and then submit before the last date. Now, if you are reading this particular notification or this recruitment from Freshers Now website, in the same page of DHS Chhattisgarh recruitment notification page, when you come to the end of the page, you can see the important links section where in the first row you can see you can download the notification PDF. When you click here, you can download the PDF and read all of the recruitment details at one place itself. Cross-check with your eligibility criteria. The next one is how to apply. If you want to apply, you can click here. Please note the link will be activated on 27th of May. So you can click here and you will be directly to the application process. Now, if you have any doubts or if you have any queries, place them in the comment section and we will answer. Subscribe to Freshers Now and thank you for watching.